Let's see. Dimension, text, hidden, center.
Do you ever use that phantom that you put up there one time?
We can. Okay. Now I'm going to come up here to dimension. And I'm going to set my color to something bright. I like red. You can set it any color you want. Now if you set it to this cyan and one of these down here, these gray ones, it's not going to plot good. It'll be fuzzy looking on your plot. Continuous line type. Come up here to line weight on this one and set it to 0.7. So you get thick and thin lines. Line weight here, I'm going to set it to 0.3. Alright, then you click on text. Text should plot thin. What I normally do, anything that's going to plot thick on my drawing, I'll have it white. Anything that's going to plot thin, I'll put it in a color. Let's say it's magenta. Continuous line type, 0.3 on the line weight. Phantom, that plots thin. Line type, this should be phantom. I don't want phantom 2, I want plain old phantom. So I'm going to go load and find phantom. Now there should be a phantom on here now. Okay.
I got a quick question.
All right.
What's the difference between a phantom line and a hidden line? Or what is a phantom line?
A phantom line shows movement in a drawing.
Okay.
You use a phantom line for cutting plain lines sometimes. Okay. You don't use it that much, but since you asked me about it a while ago, I decided I'd make one.
Okay.
You may never use phantom line in this class. All right. We're going to go with 0.3. It should be thin. Hidden. Color. You don't want to use dark blue. It's hard to use on hard to see on the screen. We want it thin. And the line type, we want it hidden. Center line. Pick any color you want. Line type, we want center. And line weight, 0.3. Alright, you can set all the layers you want. That's fine. Alright, we got them set basically close. Now I'm going to close that. Alright, I'm going to set the dim scale. We're going to come up here and set it to dimension style. Make sure it's like we want it. I'm going to click on standard. And let's modify it. Make sure it's set like we want it. Color. I want it always by layer. Line type, by layer. Line weight, by layer. Baseline spacing, that's fine. Extension lines, by layer. I want all this by layer. That's the purpose of setting layers, so they'll all be right. Extend beyond extension line. That's how long that line goes, right there past that arrow. Should be 0.125. All right, we're going to say symbols and arrows. There's a fine arrow size should be 0.125. Text color, I want it by layer. Text height, 0.125. All right, fits, leave it like it is. Primary units, decimal. And this drawing, most of the drawings are 2 decimal places, so we'll go with 2. Suppress leading zeros. All right, don't worry about alternate units or tolerances, so we're going to say OK. I'm going to set it current, and then I'm going to close it. All right. What else do I need? The same way on every drawing. LT scale. 0.5. M scale's right, LT scale. All right.
But that changes.
Huh?
I said, but that changes. Like when we did the floor plan, we had to go to 12 or 24 and 48.
Yep. But on a standard
But on a standard,
mechanical
yeah.
drawing, 2 decimal places, this is basically the way you set your drawing up. Now I'm gonna come up here, I'm gonna go 5. Now I'm gonna save this drawing. And I'm gonna put it wherever I want it. You put it thumb drive or wherever. I'm gonna click right here and put it on, I'm gonna put it on my subdirectory on DFT 151. And I'm gonna save it as a B1 equals 1. Okay? Now I'm gonna save.